going on? It's your boy Johnny. We're doing something a little different today. We're out here in Stratford. Gonna grab some ducks. Quack, quack, mother clucker. Weather's not that great. Got the old Beretta. You've seen her maybe before. So we got some decoys out here. We're just chilling, just waiting for something to happen. That's pretty much the name of the game when you're duck hunting. Oh, here comes a couple in on the side. Oh, they landed in that back. There's a couple tactics you can do around here. You can just kind of paddle around and get on the sod banks and kind of walk it. Just plant it down over there too. Or you could sit here and decoy, which is the most boring way. I like to tromp around in the grass a little bit just to see what's going on out here. A little soggy out here. I'm just gonna walk around on this little bank. Sometimes you'll get some ducks laying in this kind of grass. Holes like this too in the ground. You'll see some black ducks hanging in there. Let's see how much here. All right. Well, obviously it's raining. It's so warm out here. It's unbelievable. But I did about 3-4 hours out here. Got one really nice black duck. I didn't get it on film because, you know, these things just come in so quick. It's like shoot or get the GoPro ready. I'm sorry, DJI. We're using DJIs now. I mean, you can't beat this. It's flat as a glass out here. Went up to my knee a couple times, so you gotta watch out. Yeah, this is just gonna be a short video because you wanna know how serious of a waterman you are? Come out here in the end of December. You'll find out. Scope it, here's my section. Couple deeks. We got the Oldtown Sportsman here. So we're getting at here. Look at this stud, man. That'll be great eater right here. I haven't really seen any activity in the last 30 minutes. So please don't sink up to my knee. A lot of guys think you need expensive decoys. I think I got a dozen of these for 60 bucks. You can touch them up a little bit. I've painted some of the head and stuff in a little darker to look a little better like a black duck. Yeah, same with these. Same with the mallards. I try to get them looking slightly different. And that's it, man. There's no tricks at all. Another misconception, a lot of guys think you need to throw 5,000 decoys out here. Most of the time I run under 6. Because a lot of times in nature out here, you know, in the Northeast, you might see 5, 6, 10. I mean, whenever I'm hunting, I see pairs all the time. So you got to keep that into consideration. Do you need a huge spread of a dozen? Hey man, if you want to set them all out, go ahead. But me, I like to be mobile. So 2, 3, 4 deeks, maybe even 5. And that's game. I don't need anything else. But you know what? I'm sure somebody will try to prove me wrong. And that's okay, man. You can have your own style. It's fine. You want to throw 3 dozen decoys out here in Connecticut? I'm not stopping you. Don't forget, you got to pick them all up, man. You got to pick them up. How sweet is this view though, man? It's glass out. We never get that, right? Never get glass like this in the winter. Alright, I'm out of here. I gotta start heading back. Sweet out here, right? Oops. Blue steels, baby. If you know, you know.